Tired of sold-out badges cluttering your Shopify store and potentially driving customers away? Let's streamline your storefront in under 90 seconds by removing those badges, creating a smoother, more engaging shopping experience. First, from your Shopify admin dashboard, click on Online Store and then select Themes. Now, find the theme you're currently using and click on the 3 dots Actions button next to it from the drop-down menu. Choose Edit Code. This will take you to the theme's code editor. Don't worry, it's simpler than it sounds. In the code editor, use the search bar usually located at the top left and type in Protocard Liquid. This is a common file name where product information, including the sold-out badge, is managed. If you do not see this file, search for Product Grid Item Liquid or anything similar related to product cards. Once you've found the file, look for the code that displays the sold-out badge. This code usually contains words like sold out, unavailable, or a similar phrase. It's often within an if statement that checks if the product is in stock. Now, to remove the badge, simply comment out this code block. To do this, add %comment before the code and % comment % after it. This will hide the code from being executed without deleting it, so you can easily revert the changes if needed. Alternatively, if you're comfortable with a more permanent change, you can completely delete the code block. However, commenting it out is generally safer. Click Save in the top right corner of the code editor. Now, go back to your online store and refresh the page. The sold-out badges should be gone. And that's it. By removing those distracting badges, you've created a cleaner, more engaging shopping experience that encourages customers to focus on your available products. Remember to test on both desktop and mobile.